Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Muhammad Adi bin Muhammad Sharif. For the problem 1, I need to solve all this question. So for we enter the data and create the graph in Excel. The equation, the graph need the differentiation. Find value x. In conclusion, the function increase interval minus infinity 4.431 and decrease in interval 4.431 plus infinity. Solve the rate of change. Just replace the data into the formula y per x, y square minus y per x square minus x for every 15-minute interval. Relative maximum, just different the equation and then as a maximum number. The absolute maximum, just as into the equation and then value 266.74 absolute maximum number.
Now we have got the equation y. For question 1, the test value go increase at 0.1 and decrease at 0.10. Second, the rate of change we got from 105 to 120 minutes. The rate of change is negative 0.18 units over minute. For relative maximum and minimum number, by use derivative test, I've got x equal to 5.7 at 4 and it is positive, so can cut down. For absolute maximum and minimum number, I've got 70.425 where it is absolute maximum number.
For cumulative volume, just plus volume column and cumulative column. Then enter the data into the Excel and make a graph. Lastly, rate of change, just use formula y per x, y square minus y and x square minus x.
Our group focus on rainfall data from Sarawak. We collect and record daily rainfall for data for 2 weeks. For analysis, we select 5 stations such as Sematan, Pantebang, Sungai Pedit, Kampung Opah and Sungai Opah. Based on this graph, the data was collected over a 40-day period. For this calculation, for example, the rainfall on day 2 minus the rainfall on day 1 divided by the difference between day 2 and day 1.
To explain about interpretation of the rainfall versus time graph, there are 3 different slopes of each graph that we take the data, which is the positive, 0 and negative slope. Positive slope indicates an increasing rainfall intensity over time. Zero slope means that there is no change in rainfall intensity over time. Negative slope suggests a decrease in rainfall intensity over time. For the example, we can see from Sematan graph, the positive slope from 17 December to 20 December. So from Pantebang, negative slope we can see to 18 December to 21 December. And for Sungai Pedit, zero slope we can see from 21 December to 23 December.
Hi, my name is Nur Nadira Ilyana binti Nazaruddin and my matrix number is CF240219. So here's the graph for problem 3, which is load versus displacement. There's 2 methods to find the area under the graph. For method 1, which is manually integration, the area under the graph I got is 0.1506 kN per mm. So here's other formula to calculate area under the graph using Excel. So by using the Excel, the area under the graph I got is 0.153 kN per mm. So for the conclusion, there are 2 methods that you can use to find the area under the graph. But method 2 are more better because it is more accurate.